And news is coming in. An insensitive minister in the Samajwadi Party government has tried to play down the demands and travails of Martyr Hemraj's family. The Minister for Sports and Youth Welfare in Akhilesh Yadav's government, Ramkaran Arya, has said a hunger strike by Martyr soldiers' family will not solve the issue and it would be a petty thing to do on the matter.
देखिए संजोग है, नहीं ये तो संजोग है, कभी बहुत सारे लोग पहुंच जाते हैं, कभी नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं। अब ये एक बड़ी बात है, आप जो ने कहा वो हम लोगों के लिए, हम सब लोग दुखी हैं। पढ़ने लिखने के बाद हर व्यक्ति समाज का दुखी है कि ऐसे जघन्य घटना घटी है। तो अब तो देश के लिए मरा, वो तो हमारे लिए सम्मानित है, हमारे लिए आदर्श है, मेरे लिए देवता के समान है। और जो सरकार को होगा उसको करेंगे।
उसके परिजन तो अभी तक भूख हड़ताल पर बैठे हुए हैं।
अब भूख हड़ताल का तो कोई इलाज नहीं, हम भी तो भूख हड़ताल पर समस्याओं के लिए बैठते थे। वो कोई समस्या, मेरी बात सुनिए, शहीद हुआ है वो देश के लिए शहीद हुआ है। भूख पर हड़ताल पर बैठना ये छोटी बात हो जाएगी। हम शहीद अपने देश के लिए हुए हैं, समझे के लिए, हम किसी व्यक्ति के लिए नहीं हुए हैं। हमारा देश है और ये देश ना तो कलेक्टर कप्तान का है और ना राष्ट्रपति का है। ये देश एक रिक्शा चलाने वाले का भी है। उसका भी देश के प्रति उतना ही अधिकार है और उतना ही कर्तव्य है जितना राष्ट्रपति है। हम बात करेंगे, जिलाधिकारी से बात करेंगे, भी बात करेंगे, तत्काल देखेंगे लाश उसकी आ गई कि नहीं। कभी लाश आती है, कभी नहीं आ पाती है।
उसका अंतिम संस्कार भी हो गया।
हाँ, तो ऐसा है तो उसको हम बात करेंगे, कलेक्टर से मालूम हो जाएंगे।
Aishwarya joining us live on the story. Aishwarya, what is happening down on ground? Another insensitive comment coming in from a minister in Akhilesh Yadav's cabinet. The UPCM finally, despite because of all the media attention, has decided to come and pay the family a visit. Aishwarya, can you hear me?
Well, that's right, because here people are still very angry. The family members, to be very precise, are still very angry because they made one thing very clear, that they are not looking for financial compensation from these leaders who have been coming in till now. Former UP Chief Minister Rajnath Singh, alongside with him Leader of Opposition Lok Sabha Sushma Swaraj, BJP National President Nitin Gadkari, all three of them came in, but they have said alongside family members, making it very clear that yes, they will call off the fast. In fact, the martyr's uncle, who is also a former soldier, made it very clear that yes, the family members will call off the fast. But then, at the end of the day, one thing which is being demanded by the family is very clear, that they want respect, they want remains of martyr Hemraj to be given back to them. That is what they are demanding. They say they are not demanding for any kind of financial remuneration from any leader, from any party. They only want respect, which they should not have demanded, but rather commanded. But still, they are still saying that they will end it till as soon as they get respect. But as of now, the UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav is expected here at any moment. And then also at the same time, it is the Minister of State Defence is also expected to arrive here and try to console the family, because the health of the martyr's wife and then his mother is really critical, and that is what is becoming really important as of now for the whole local administration as well, because all of these people whom you could see on your screens, these are locals, and then the immense police presence which is here, along with the PAC, which has been brought in, keeping in mind the security after the Chief Minister's appearance, which is going to happen here in next 15 to 20 odd minutes. They are saying that there's a lot of agitation within the villagers as well, because all of these villagers, at least there are 15 to 20 individuals who are in the Indian Armed Forces from this very Khairar village, and that is why they are really angry, because for them it is not only an individual, it is a fraternity within this village which is really angry, and they say they should have given the respect. The local administration should have given the respect, and that is what they are demanding right now, not any kind of financial remuneration.